What's the meaning of atonement? Atonement. Atonement.
Atonement. Atonement. Atonement refers to the act of making amends for one's wrongdoings or sins. It is a process of reconciliation and self-purification that aims to restore the balance between oneself, others, and the universe. The result of atonement varies depending on the context and the individuals involved, but generally it entails a sense of remorse, repentance, forgiveness, and healing. Atonement can help repair damaged relationships, alleviate guilt and shame, promote personal growth, and inspire compassion and empathy towards oneself and others.